So it's me, the crazy ginger lunatic who loves makeup, and I'm back with days 17 to 25 of the Gingerbread Revolution advent calendar. I have absolutely loved this advent calendar more than anything. I've just loved December, like getting a present every single day. It's going to be makeup, it's going to be something you love. I've literally been like jumping out of bed for this, and it takes a lot for me to jump out of bed. Actually, that's a lie. I'm the most energetic and morning person you ever come across. But I'm even more energetic, more morning person because of this little advent calendar. Now, today I'm going to be unboxing number 17 to 25. And they are just as good, if not even better, than the past two videos. But if you haven't watched those videos, please go back and watch them, because you need to find out everything that I've got in this advent calendar, because it has literally been life itself. So number 18 was this little beauty here. So it's the Angel Heart highlighter for face and eyes. Now, I have expressed my love for these on the past two videos. I love these highlighters because they are not just a highlighter. You can use them individually as eyeshadow, which I'm literally living for, because I live between two houses and sometimes I don't want to take a million products. I literally want to take a handful of products that are going to last me a few days. And this is amazing because individually they look great as eyeshadows, or as a whole, whip your little brush in there, get a good highlight, and you're ready to go. Every girl loves a highlight, right? One thing I have really enjoyed about this advent calendar is I've been trying products that I wouldn't necessarily try and colours I wouldn't necessarily try, and this one is one of those, because I'm more of a bronzy highlight. I feel like bronze highlights kind of complement my hair colour, but this has been coming through. Like, I have been loving it. Loving it. Because it makes me look a bit more girly, and sometimes I do like to dress like a tomboy. Actually, a lot of the time I'd like to dress like a tomboy, but some days I want to be girly, and this is perfect for those days. Number 19. Oh my god, number 19 was a good day. I remember 19. I feel like I say that about every day, but they are like so good. Was this. This is the I Heart Chocolate Salted Caramel palette, and oh my god, was it a dream. Like an actual dream. They're so flipping adorable. Oh my god. This is the palette. Yes, and a little bit more yes. So it's a mix of browns, coppers, there's a bright teal in there, which I'm flipping living for, and also a baby pink that's iridescent and hits the light and it goes purple, and it's like the dream. I'm so enthusiastic about makeup, you can tell. Love this palette. I've literally been diving for it every day. I'd say at the beginning of this advent calendar, if you had given me a brown and bronzes eyeshadow palette, I literally would have thrown it back at you and been like, nah mate, I'm not basic. But I've actually been really enjoying it. I've actually been diving for a brown eyeshadow palette nearly every single day, and that to me is like a whole new level, because this girl before did not do brown eyeshadow, and now I'm doing brown eyeshadow all the time. So number 20, Lightning highlighter palette. Now I love this because it is literally gold shimmer in a palette, in a highlight. Like, literally, can you get any better? I don't think so. Literally pure glitter gold concentrate that I am living for, like living for. This one is quite a shimmery highlight, so maybe wear this like on a night out, or you want to look like super hot for a selfie. This would be the highlight. Imagine this on your collarbones in the summer. Oh my god, that would be like popping. Like popping. Or even like underneath your brow bone. Oh my god, it would look dreamy. The dream of dreams is this highlighter, and it's called Lightning. Lightning! Okay, I need to add more. Number 21. What's this bit of hair doing? Like I'm having a hair nightmare day today, but it's fine. We're getting on with it. We're being an adult. This is such a me colour. So this is the I Heart Revolution Flare range in Nebula, and oh my flipping god. It's literally the most perfect nudie natural colour you've ever come across in your life. Not just like recently. This is like a product that you just need it in your life, basically. And I didn't know I needed it in my life, but now I'm doing a public service announcement that you need this in your life as well. Like, you just need it. It's perfect for every day. It's perfect if you're going to do a smoky eye and you don't want your lips to be like too pale as well. And it's just dreamy. And the I Heart Revolution formulation of lipstick and lip gloss is literally like the best. Your lips feel so moisturised afterwards. They don't feel like cakey, they don't feel sticky. They just feel like you've got a luscious colour on there that everyone is going to be saying, oh my god, Where did she get her lipstick from? Next is number 22. I'm not from Norfolk, but I'm not really from Norfolk. I'm actually from Essex, but I'm just going to pretend to do a Norfolk accent because that's what we want to do right now, apparently. Another palette. In life, you can never have too many palettes. And if someone says that to you, again, I've mentioned this numerous times, you cannot have enough palettes. Point blank, never have enough palettes. So this was the Death by Chocolate palette. Oh my god. Look at those colours. I'm sorry, but the dream. So you've got a mix of, these are like a grey browns, which I really like, because sometimes you want to do that smoky eye, but you don't want to do like a brown smoky eye. Sometimes you want to do a grey smoky eye, so you need that palette for it. And this is the palette of perfection. So there's some greys in there, there is a baby pink, like a purpley mauve, there is an actual black, and there are like some creamy brow shades. Do you know what I really like about this palette? I'm just going to throw it out there because I feel like more palettes should be doing this. The lighter colours, there is more of them. Like these colours, I use a hell of a lot more product than I do of these colours. So I think this should be just rolled out in every palette, because you always end up hitting pan on these colours and you've absolutely got like 10 ton of the dark colours that you're not going to use. So you feel like you need to, like, this is a good idea basically. Palettes need to be more like this, that you get more of a lighter colour because we're going to use more of it. Like, surely that's only common sense. And I'm loving the full size mirrors, like, come on, living for that. Day number 23. This is really sad because we're now on the last layer of the advent calendar. I'm not ready for this to end. Not ready, okay? Just not ready. But it is a blusher, and it's the first blusher we've had. I'm not normally a blusher person. Just gonna throw that out there. I'm normally a bronzer girl and then a bit of highlight, but I'm converted. And this is the Blushing Hearts blusher, and it is the triple baked blusher cut of Candy Queen of Hearts, because that isn't enough words to put on the front of a blush packet. But look at this, it's literally like dream on dream. Is it not dream on dream? Like, come on. So it's got 3 shades of pinks. There is a darker shade, a lighter shade, and then a more pinky shade. Mix them all up with blusher brush. Literally can't speak today. And put on the apples of your cheeks, do a little fake smile. I'm so happy I'm applying my blusher. And then you put it there. And it literally makes you just look like you're popping. I'm now converted. I'm going to put it on today, but normally I would. And it's just so adorable. Oh my god! I'm such a lunatic. I'm literally surrounded by makeup down here. It's literally living my best life. So number 24. This one is a Christmas Eve. So it should be a good one. And it is the Superstar Triple Baked Highlights. Comes in a bronzy box, which is new. Oh my god, it's a star! I'm just like packaging. Oh my god. Yes, I'm not jealous from Friends. Just look at that. Just look. Just look. And just look again. Yeah. So this is a bronze, like full-on bronze highlights. This in the summer. Oh my god, I'm literally having heart palpitations. It's going to be an absolute dream. And how cute is that packaging? Again, like, revolution. You're just nailing the cute packaging. Like, literally hitting the nail straight on the head. Such a consumer's dream, aren't I? Anything that looks cute, I'm going to love it. I'm just going to love it. So number 25, Christmas Day, which I also just want to throw out there. Revolution, I've loved that you've actually done a Christmas Day in your advent calendar. Because Chris's advent calendar didn't have a 25. And I felt a bit guilty opening mine because obviously I get a present, an extra present, and he didn't. But hey, that's just life. Today was the iHeart Revolution Cinnamon Palette. Oh my god, I can smell it. I haven't even taken it out of the packaging yet. Oh, another dream of dreams of a palette. So it's got yellows, it's got pinks, it's got oranges, it's got purples, it's got reds, and if it couldn't get any better, there is a shade called Ginger. Ginger is a shade in this eyeshadow palette. I think it was made for me. And it's a full-size mirror, and it smells of Christmas, and this has been the best advent calendar. Oh, and the names are all like chili pepper, clove, turmeric, fennel, nutmeg. Oh my god, so they're all actual spice names. Oh my god. Just adorable. So you could say now that I've got enough makeup to last me at least a few weeks. I have to say, 10 out of 10 to Revolution for this advent calendar. I've flipping loved every single day. Every makeup product is something I haven't tried before and feel like now I need it in my life. I've tried new shades of things that I never would have tried, like the bright purple at the beginning, the bright orange, like the corally colour. Never would have tried those lip colours ever. Ever, but now I flipping love them, and I now have a new love for brown eyeshadow, which I never thought I would have because I thought it was too basic. But this just proves that these sort of advent calendars are perfect for pushing your boundaries, trying something new, and getting a 10-ton of new makeup, which every girl loves. So I'm literally living my best life right now. If you did enjoy these videos, then next year I'm going to be doing a more and more advent calendar unboxings because I flipping love advent. But for now, give this video a double tap, go down below, give me a comment, and I will speak to you all very, very soon. Love you all lots. Thank you for your support and have an amazing Christmas. That was awful singing. Bye.